Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about the operation of sets. So first operation is union of two sets A and B. It is represented like this: A union B. This is the symbol of union. So what is the union of two sets A and B? It is represented by this A union B. This is the symbol of union. A union B is a set which contains either the elements of set A or the elements of set B or both. Means all the elements of both the sets. A union B contains all the elements of both the sets. So in the set builder form we define A union B like this. A union B X such that X belongs A or X belongs B or X belongs both. So we have to take all the elements from both the sets. So this is A union B. See with one example. Suppose A 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and B 2, 5, 8, 9. There are two sets A and B and we have to write A union B. So how we can write A union B? According to definition, we have to write all the elements of both the sets. So write the elements of both the sets. 1, it is the element of set A. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, it is the element of set A. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 8, 9 from the set B. 2 and 5 both are common. 2 and 5 are common elements of the set A and B, so we have to write it only one time. So how we can write A union B? We have to list all the elements of set A and set B. So X is the element. X either belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs both the sets. So we have to list all the elements of both the sets. Common elements we have to write only one time. So here 2 and 5 both are common. We will not write here two times. We have to take it only one time. So this is A union B. Next, intersection of two sets. Next operation, second one, intersection of two sets A and B. We represent it like this. This is inverted U. It is the symbol of intersection. It is inverted U. It is the symbol of intersection. So what is A intersection B? So intersection of two sets A and B is a set which contains the common elements of both the sets. Only we have to write the common elements of both the sets. So in the set builder form we define A intersection B like this: X such that X belongs A and X belongs B. Means X belongs both the sets. Both the sets means common elements. So in intersection we have to take only common elements of both the sets. See one example. Suppose A is the element A, E, I, O, U. B is another set. It contains B, C, E, O, G like this. And we have to write A intersection B. We have to write A intersection B. So we will see what elements are common in both. So we see that E is common in both. O is common in both. O is present in both the sets. So these two elements are common. Other elements are different. So only we have to list here common element. Means E, O. So this is A intersection B. We have to list the common elements of both the sets. So this is intersection of two sets. First one was the union of two sets. Now third one. Next is difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets means either A minus B or B minus A. So how we will define difference of two sets? A minus B, X such that X belongs A but X does not belong B. A minus B means all those elements of X which does not lie in the set B. So we have to write the elements of set A which does not lie in set B, means we have to remove the common elements from the set A. We will remove common elements from the set A. A minus B, no. We will remove the common elements from the set A. So A minus B, X such that X lie in A but X does not lie in B. See example. Suppose A, it contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And B contains the elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B contains 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. See what are common. What are common elements in both? So 7 is common. 7 is present in both. 9 is present in both. So in A intersection B means common elements are 7 and 9. And we have to write A minus B. So we will remove the common elements from the set A. Common elements are 7 and 9. We will not write this one. So remaining elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is A minus B. So in A minus B, we will remove the common elements from the set A. Suppose we have to write B minus A. Then how we will write B minus A? We will remove the common elements from the set B. So common elements are 7, 9. Remove these two elements. So we will get 3, 5, 11. 3, 5 and 11. Remove the common elements from B. We will get B minus A. So this is the difference of two sets A minus B or B minus A. With the help of example, I explained how we can find A minus B or B minus A. I hope that these 3 points are clear to you. Now we have to discuss some problems. This is the first question of exercise 1.3. In this question, set A is given, set B is given. We have to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. So we know that how to find A union B. A union B means what? We have to list all the elements of both the sets. Common elements we have to write only one time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6 common. I have already written here 2, 4, 6. So extra element is 8. So this is A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So we have to list the elements from both the sets. Second, we have to find A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to list only the common elements from both the sets. So what are common elements? 2 is common, 4 common and 6 common. Here 2, 4 and 6. So only we have to list here the common elements 2, 4, 6. This is A intersection B. Third one is what? A minus B. A minus. How we will write A minus B? We will remove the common elements from the set A. Means we can write it A minus A intersection B. A minus A intersection B. Intersection B means common elements. So from the set A, remove the common elements 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 are common elements. So remove these 3 elements and write the other elements. 1, 3, 5. This is A minus B. A minus B means A minus A intersection B. So we have to remove the common elements. And fourth, B minus A. B minus A means B minus A intersection B. So we have to remove the common elements from the set B. Set B is this one. Remove the common elements 2, 4, 6. We will get only one element 8. So B minus A intersection B 8. This is B minus 8. So with the help of this example, I explained how to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Now we will discuss the next point, overlapping sets and disjoint sets. So what are overlapping sets and disjoint sets? Disjoint sets. So what are disjoint sets? Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they have no common element. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they have no common element. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they have no common elements. Means A intersection B is null set. A intersection B is null set, no common elements. See example of disjoint sets. Suppose one set A is 1, 2, 3 and another set B 6, 7, 8. Check both the sets. Any element is common in both. 1, 2, 3 is here, but no 1, 2, 3 is there. 6, 7, 8 present in B, but 6, 7, 8 not present in A. So no element is common in both the sets. So we can say these two sets are disjoint sets. Here A intersection B is what? Null set. So therefore A and B are disjoint sets. These are disjoint sets. So this is disjoint sets. Now we will see overlapping sets. Overlapping sets. So what are overlapping sets? Two sets A and B are said to be overlapping if they have at least one element common. Two sets A and B are said to be overlapping if they have at least one element common, maybe more than one, but at least one element should be common. here A intersection B, it is not null set. We will get some elements in the intersection. Suppose A is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and B is 1, 3, 6, 8, 9 like this. See A and B, we see that some elements are common here. 3 is present here, 3 is present here, 6 and 6. A intersection B is what? A intersection B, we get 3 and 6. So here A intersection B, it is not null set. It is not null set. We are getting some elements common. So we say it overlapping sets. By definition, both the sets are overlapping. So therefore, A and B are overlapping sets. A and B are overlapping sets. So if we will get some elements common in both the sets, we say it overlapping. If no element in common, we say it disjoint sets. In case of disjoint sets, A intersection B will be null set phi. Next topic, complement of a set. Complement of a set. So what is complement of a set? Complement of a set is a set which contains all the elements from the universal set except the elements of the given set. See the definition. Complement of a set A is a set which contains all the elements of universal set except the elements of the set A. This is the definition. Complement of any set A is a set which contains all the elements of universal set except the elements of set A. Means leaving the elements of set A, we have to write all the elements of the universal set. See example. Suppose universal set is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. This is universal set. And one set A is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. One set A is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So how we will write complement of set A? Complement of set A is written like this, represented like this, A dash. A dash means complement of set A. Complement of set A means U minus A. From the universal set, we will remove the element of set A. So universal set is this much, 1 to 10. We have to remove these elements from the universal set. So remove 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We have to remove these elements and write the remaining elements. 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. So removing the elements of set A, we have to list the remaining elements of the universal set. It will be the complement of the given set A. It is represented like this, A dash or A to the power C. So A dash means complement of A is what? Universal set minus A. Remove the elements of set A from universal set and write the remaining elements. So I hope that it is clear, complement of a set. Okay. Now we will see one question based on complement of a set. So this is question number 4. Universal set is given 1 to 8. Set A is given 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Set B 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. We have to find A union B. Next A union B complement and A complement intersection B complement. Many other parts are given in this question, but I have taken only 3 parts to explain the concept of complement. So see how we will write first one. A union B. A union B means we have to write the elements of both the sets. So write the elements of both the sets. Common element we have to write only one time. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is here. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is A union B. Next part we have to write A union B complement. A union B complement. So what is the meaning of complement? We have to write all the elements from the universal set except the elements of A union B. Means universal set minus A union B. Universal set minus A union B. So remove the elements of A union B from universal set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are A union B elements. And what are universal set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to remove all the elements. We have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 8. So what we will get? We will get no element. We will get no element. So A union B complement is null set. We will get null set or 5. Next, third one, A complement intersection. A complement intersection B complement. So firstly write A complement. What is A complement? We will remove the elements of set A from the universal set. So we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6. So remaining elements are 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. This is A dash intersection B dash complement of B. So remove the elements of set B from universal set. So we have to remove 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. We will get 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. What is common? Intersection means we have to see the common elements. So what are common in both? Here 4 is there, 7, 8, but here 1, 5, 6. We see that nothing is common in both. Again we will get null set. So A complement intersection B complement is null set. So how we will write A complement? Remove the elements of A from universal set, and B complement, remove the elements of B from the universal set. Then take the intersection of both. I hope that it is clear to you. Remaining thing we will discuss in the new video. Okay, thank you class.